The manipulation after exposure. So once the truth comes out, the flying monkeys kick into overdrive, and their specialty? Illusions and gaslighting. Gaslighting you of all sorts of stories, related or not, to deflect and put the attention off the exposure they are trying to avoid. Layers of lies upon layers of them. So what are the illusions? One, illusions of victimhood. They rewrite themselves into the hero or the wounded party, spinning endless sub-stories to mask the harm they've done. Two, illusions of karma. They re-narrate your lived experiences and label them as karma, as if your life is some kind of punishment they are entitled to watch. It's projection, plain and simple. And for the record, life is good. I'm healthy, my children are healthy, and I am grateful. And they can only hope. 3. Illusions of blessings. So they will now create narratives that they pretend to be thriving, blessed, favored, untouchable while hiding the truth. Because what's the reality? You see, there's a tarot reader who mentioned that some of the tarot readers, they are struggling with illness, disasters, failed relationships, homelessness, or worse, like everyone else. But you see, narcissists are masters at creating fake personas and projecting their own crime and downfall onto others due to toxic shame. Social media makes their facade easier to maintain. You see, when persecution becomes karma, and when truth-telling becomes public humiliation or manipulation, and when lies are reframed as exposure. Remember the star readings claiming this person is being exposed, but it's just defamation and character assassination. And when they call you clout chasing, but they gained attention by antagonizing you. And when they call you a copycat, but they're the ones stealing destinies. And when they call you jealous, but they've been the ones gang stalking. And when they demonize the real victim and glorify one of the perpetrators, and yet people still trust them, they said that ignorance is the root of all evil. But I guess willful ignorance is. If you don't want to be part of the solution to this world, at the very least, don't become one of them.